Welcome to Carlton's Math Corner. Today, we're going to continue our study on integers. At this time, please make sure that you have a math journal, something to write with, as well as your vocabulary packet. Okay, so our target today is I can divide integers. And here are a few problems. I want you to make some observations. What do you notice? What are some patterns? Are there any similarities to adding, subtracting, or multiplying integers? Well, some of the things that I noticed are, first thing I notice is it is very similar to multiplying integers. And what I mean by that is I notice that when I divide two negatives, I got a positive answer. The other thing I notice is if I divide one negative and one positive number, I got a negative answer. That is very similar to multiplication. The other thing I noticed is that I literally am just dividing as normal, like negative 48 divided by negative 8 is just a positive 6. Well, I noticed that 48 divided by 8 is 6. So really I'm just dividing as normal. And that is similar to multiplying integers in the fact that in the last video we just multiplied the numbers together and then we figured out the symbol. So same thing with this. We're dividing and then we're figuring out the symbol. So let's look at some steps. So the first thing we're going to do, divide the numbers. Okay? Then count up the number of negative signs or negative symbols, because just like multiplication of integers, if it's an odd number, the answer is negative. If it's an even number, the answer is positive. Okay, so very similar steps, as our last video. The only difference is now we're dividing instead of multiplying. Okay, so for tomorrow, I want you to try out these 4 problems. Remember, no calculators. Okay, try these out, and thank you so much for joining me at Carlton's Math Corner, and I look forward to meeting with you again.